5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. So just down here, road goes right. Road goes right here. 400, turn left. In 200, turn left. 100 metres, turn left. Turning left here. Turn left. 350 metres, keep right on crest. So 150 metres, keep right on crest. Keep right on crest here, keeping right, good man. 300 metres, road goes right, downhill. Do not turn hard right. So 150 metres, care, road goes right, downhill. Keep going, you're all right. So it's this one here, road goes right, downhill. Then, oh yep, keep left, downhill. 37. Yep,
hey.
You're right, keep going, good man, well saved. 300 metres, road goes left, so that'll be in 150, road goes left.
Yeah, they're not wrong about this slippery.
Yeah, you're in Pine Needle, so it's going to be very slippy, take it easy. So somewhere here, road goes left, so just here, road goes left. Road goes left here. 120 metres, extreme caution into river crossing. So very slippy. Keep one wheel in that rut for your traction.
Oh yes, this is it.
Yeah, so this is...
Around the tree.
Turn very hard left around the trees, so slow it down. And squirt. Yep. 120 metres, extreme caution, road goes right into deep river crossing. So this is here, road goes right, so slow down, deep river crossing. Just go through him nice and slow. Good man. 140 metres, flying finish.
Whoa.
Here we go, flying finish.
Sweet as.
And stop at control. So just take it easy because my seatbelt has actually come off.
That's all right.
Well, it never actually went on. So I didn't reset anything either. We're a bit fucking behind the 8-ball. So if you can, we got to keep right, then 100 metres straight on in 500.
Here's the keep right.
Here's your keep right, then 100 straight. There's your keep right, and there's your straight on.
Yep. So
the 360 metres straight on as road goes right over crest. So just slow down. So in 100 metres, well that'll be it. There we go, straight on as road goes right over crest. That's that one. Lovely job. There you go. 1.3 kilometres to yourself. Remember, it's going to be slippier through here this time.
Yeah, pretty good. These red bits are fucking challenging, mate.
So we got...
Yeah, this one was a bit of a slippery one before. Yep, there it
Yeah,
is.
It's an off-camber drop mid-corner. 500 metres, keep left as road goes left. Down to 300, keep left as road goes left. So it's just down here. 100 metres, keep there, just here.
Yep.
Keep left as road goes left. gutter. Down to 300. So just
Yep.
up here,
Go.
care, turn left, rough. And it's very rough through this next stint. So woo him up. Woo him up. Very, very slippy. Yeah, that's the way. And then as we come out of it, we do the turn hard right. In 300. Down to 200.
Fucking hell, that's getting worse.
Yeah. So it's just here, turn right, turn hard right. Beautiful job. 650 metres straight on. This is where I got a little bit lost last time because there's a real short call. So watch the crest. 300 straight on.
There's a straight on.
Yep, there's a straight on. So 670 straight on. And then after this next straight on, which is in 400, 140 metres turn right.
Roger.
So 300 straight on, then 150 turn right. Down to 2. So we should have a straight on.
Then turn right.
Straight on. So
There's a
just
straight on.
150 metres turn right. So
Yep.
turn right here.
Got him.
This one was slippery last time. Good chuck, gas. Beautiful. 400 metres, turn right on crest. So turn right on crest. Turn right on crest. Good man. This will be slippery. Watch your approach. So we've got 500 metres, turn right, comes up quick. So that's this one up here. It's turn right, comes up quick.
Yep.
Oh, almost had a beautiful one.
Pretty sure I just did. That was fucking awesome.
200 metres, turn left, do not cut.
Yep.
Turn left here. Go. Beautiful job. 800 care, road goes right. Down to 500, care, road goes right. In 4. 300, road goes right. Down to 2. So this one here, road goes right. 270 metres, turn left, downhill. After the crest, 270, turn left, downhill.
Yep. So we're coming up into the real slippery stuff. In 300, road straight. 4, 3, 2, thank you, and have a good day. So much for no wheel spin.
And nail it.
That's slippery.
Fuck yeah, it's going to be super slippery. So we've got 600 metres straight on, then 120 metres turn left. As an estimate by how much wheel spin we're picking up. Grab fourth, mate. So we've got about 200 metres straight on, then 120 turn left. So as soon as you spot a straight on, you've got, yep, so 120 turn left.
Yep.
Lovely. Yep. Yep, a little bit of gas. Yep. See, that little bit of short shift, you get that little bit of drive out of the corner. So you've got about 300 straight on.
Road on the right.
Road goes cross both ways.
Yep, that's it there.
Beautiful. 340 metres. Care. Spectators turn right. Down to 2. So turn right for spectators. If there are any, there's 2. Here we go. Up it. Good man. Righto, back in your comfort zone.
A fair bit more traction on this stuff.
Yeah, there will be. So we have approximately 700 metres turn left. Down to 400 approximately, turn left. Down to 150, turn left. Here it is here, turn left.
Got up.
Turning left.
And watch the traction on this shit.
Yeah, this will be real slippery, so keep it middle.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah, don't touch those pine needles. So, in 400, turn right, do not cut. Down to 300, turn right, don't cut. Watch the crests. Turn.
Fuck yeah, that's fun.
Beautiful job. 480 metres, turn right. So just watch it. We're going to turn right coming up. Turn right here. So down to 900 metres, caution straight on as road goes left after crest. In 500, caution straight on as road goes left after crest. In 200, caution straight on as road goes left after crest. So
left after?
Straight on,
yep.
left after crest.
Yep.
Left after crest. Just there. Love your work. 380, turn right. Spotted that one. Turn righting here.
Yep.
Good man. So slow it down.
Somebody's found the apex.
180 metres, Care Road goes left on crest. Which will be this one here. Care Road goes left on crest. Left on crest here. Good job. 300 metres, turn left uphill. Down to turn left uphill. So it'll be just
That's
here,
it.
turn left uphill. Yep, love your work. 900 metres, turn right, then 90 metres, turn right. 4, 3, 2, 1, and on your way. Have a good afternoon. You've got 1.2 cars, turn left uphill. No, sorry, I thought you were still in fifth. Metres, turn left uphill. 200 down to 100 metres, turn left uphill.
Yep.
Love your work. 750, caution, slippery, keep right, rough and steep downhill. Rough and slippery downhill. This should be fucking atrocious. 100, caution, right, so keep right. Keep right here. Just roll down it.
Oh, fuck.
So yeah, just watch this to be much.
Yeah, it was when it come up. This bit is not too bad, but it's very rough.
So 300 metres, road goes right, then road goes left. Metres, road goes right, then road goes left. This one here. Road goes right, then road goes left. Lovely. 140 metres, turn left, then 80 metres, turn left at the narrows. Good job. And then turning left again. Good man. 180, yeah, turn hard right, downhill, comes up quick. Down to 500, care, turn hard right, downhill, comes up quick. Down to 200. Just, yeah, care, turn hard right, downhill. And 400, turn right. Yes. Good job. 400 metres, turn hard left, no main gravel. Down to 3.
Hard left.
Hard left. Yep. Down to 2.
Should be just up here.
Should. That's where Leroy was. Hard left, follow me. Just here, hard left.
Huh?
Oh.
hard
here.
left.
Beautiful job. So in 300, straight on as road goes right, then 120 metres straight on. Straight on, road goes right.
Yep.
So road will go right.
Yep.
Good man. Then 120 metres straight on. Which is
That's
there.
straight on.
Right.
Yep.
Keep right here. Keep right. Lovely. 600 metres.